Hi, I'm Rupa. I'm bringing you an update on the rules and regulations for influencer marketing this week. And the first update I wanted to tell you about was some letters that have been sent out by the FTC. These are warning letters, and they were sent to a couple of companies that were marketing CBD, which you may also know as cannabis oil. And the problem was those companies were marketing those products as being able to treat or cure Alzheimer's and cancer. So those are both serious medical conditions, and the FTC warning letters were to prohibit this marketing technique. So, excuse me, it's important to know that the FTC has a strict policy towards them, just as the same rules apply in the UK as well. So I know that this product, I'm seeing it more frequently now on influencer marketing channels. So it's an important update because it highlights the fact that there are some rules and regulations that marketers of these products need to know about. So it should serve as a warning, really, both here in the UK and in America, that if you are approached to market one of these products, that you do your research and find out a little bit more about whether you need a medical license, or whether the product itself needs a medical license, or or exactly what claims can be made for it. So it's the MHRA who would give more information about medical licenses. That's the Medicines and Healthcare Regulatory Authority. So yeah, I think proceed with caution if you're marketing those products, and particularly if you intend to make any kinds of health claims to do with them. And the second update was with regards to ASA rulings. They come out on Wednesdays. So this is the first update that I'm doing for rulings. I'll do them regularly. This week, unusually, only 2 rulings, but actually one of them is relevant to influencer marketing. So it's by a company called Cosmetic. And it's actually a radio ad, so it wasn't an influencer marketing ad, but relevant because the content is something that you're likely to see mimicked in influencer marketing as well. And the complaint was that this particular radio ad was socially irresponsible because it linked body confidence, to cosmetic surgery. The content of the radio ad was a person describing dancing on a bar and a sort of a if you've got it, flaunt it attitude. It was a problem. The ASA considered it was irresponsible and harmful because it directly linked body confidence to the cosmetic surgery. So it was only down to cosmetic surgery that this particular person was able to have the confidence to dance on a bar. So this ruling is relevant to influencer marketing, even though it falls under a different code. It falls under the broadcasting code. It's relevant because the rules are largely similar on irresponsibility, and if an influencer marketing post was to be investigated under the for a complaint about irresponsibility, this ruling is something that the ASA might look to for precedent. So yeah, be aware that if you are promoting cosmetic surgery products, that you do not take the approach taken in this ad, and be very careful not to suggest that confidence is purely gained from cosmetic surgery. So that's that update. There will be another one next week on ASA rulings because they're out every Wednesday, and I'll give you a quick update on what's going on. Equally, if something comes out from the FTC you need to know about, I'll post one of those too.